Today we are in Forney, Texas. Yeehaw! Today we are in Forney, Texas, and let me tell you what happened to me. I completely forgot to bring my wide angle lens. So please excuse me. I wish it was wider. Some of the image might be a little smaller than I wanted it. But anywho, done is better than perfect is what they say out there. And so I welcome you to Forney, Texas, where we're going to take a look at this beautiful property right behind me. As you can see, sits on 5.178 acres of land, fully fenced in and ready for your horses, your chickens, your farm animals, anything you want. Let's go take a look at it. So as you come in, you are greeted with your beautiful gate, right? So total privacy if you want to. Now we have beautiful mature trees, not only here in the front, but also to the side, to the back, and all the way to the back. It is 5.178 acres. Now, just to point out, and so that you know, that roofing right there is upgraded to high impact. So potentially a great discount for your home insurance. But anyhow, you can see the horse back there. And guys, look at this beautiful pond back there. Serene water views, right? And enjoy the evening while you're looking at your chickens eat, your donkey, your horses, whatever it is that you want to put out there. But anywho, let's go in the house. But before we go in, I want to come out here and actually show you this stunning back patio. Look at this. It's just ready if you like hosting or you just want to relax back here. I'm a hammock girl, so I can picture myself hanging on a beautiful hammock back here and just relaxing with the view of the water. The other day I was here and it was raining, and you guys, it was just absolutely stunning to see the rain and the smell of the rain and whatnot. So I don't know if you can hear the chimer, but it is kind of breezy out here and absolutely spectacular views. So I'll leave you with this beautiful view back here, and then let's go on in. Now look at these beautiful ceilings. Absolutely stunning. So here we have the entrance to the dining area, but then your primary bedroom also has an entrance. So let's come on in through here really quick. Like I said, please forgive me because I did not put in my bag that wide view lens, but look at this beautiful, huge area for your dining table. So this one is a 6 chair dining, but you can definitely fit in a bigger dining table as well. So look at the views. Can you imagine while you're dining with your family, your kids, or entertaining friends and family while you're overlooking that beautiful view of the pond, which by the way, it's fully stocked and it is spring fed. So, you know, can you imagine just looking at this beautiful natural oak cabinets? They are custom, so absolutely gorgeous. Now, some of you may think, you know, like, oh, I don't like the color. Hey, you know, a coat of paint will do, and you can make this kitchen absolutely stunning. So the sink is overlooking out to the front of the property. Now it does have the window coverings on the exterior, so it makes it look a little darker, but hey, you can remove those and you can have a better view to the exterior. So moving on actually no, sorry, I changed my mind. Let's go into this beautiful grand living area, starting with the wood burning fireplace. Absolutely stunning. You can see the stone all the way to the ceiling, which we do have high ceilings here. Okay, and then imagine enjoying this for Christmas, the holidays, winter in general. So absolutely beautiful here. Grand space. Now we're going to go into the primary bedroom. As you can see, it is massive. I believe this is a 19 by 17 with the inset ceilings. Beautiful touch. And again, we have the beautiful views to the exterior where you can see the pond. So imagine waking up to that. And then we also have the ensuite, the primary bathroom with a huge walk-in shower. And then we have this beautiful tub, soaker tub. And guess what? We have double sinks right here. Hello. So, I'm going to really quickly show you the closet. Look at this. This is massive. It fits so much. As you can see here, and has so much space for everything, your tejanas. So definitely. Right here we have the throne. Yep, right there. Now, moving on, let's continue to see the rest of the house. We're gonna come out here, and again, this has access to the back patio from the primary bedroom, so you can quickly access that back. Now let's continue, and then you will find here this other hallway with plenty of space for storage, like more storage space right here. And then we have 2 bedrooms here. I believe these are 10 by 11 if I'm not mistaken. Now the awesome setup here is that we have a completely private bathroom for these 2 bedrooms because we have a Jack and Jill setup. So as you can see, we have this bathroom with its shower and its toilet right there. And then ta-da, you're in the other bedroom. So if you have little ones, you know, they can share this space privately, and you don't have to share bathrooms to your guests. So moving on back through the living area, we have the entrance, the foyer, however you want to call it, and we have the main entrance right here. Look at this, absolutely stunning. Beautiful walkway, completely fenced in. Okay, so let's go back in and show you that 4th bedroom and that 2nd living area. Let's see. Making our way back through here. As we come in here, we will find the 3rd bathroom right here. Full bathroom, beautiful shower. And then we have some built-in shelves for towels and whatnot. And then over here we have the laundry room, which also shares the pantry. Let me show you it. With plenty of space for your food. And then we have more custom cabinetry over the washer and dryer. Then we have a folding area, and then it does have a built-in ironing board. So beautiful space up here. Now we have access to the upstairs where you will find the 2nd living space as well as that 4th bedroom. Again, we have beautiful views to the back over here. And that's stunning. And then this can be for your college student, you know, so that they can have a little privacy up here. Now the home is equipped with cameras that will stay behind. And here is the living area for the upstairs or game room, whatever you want to make this, you know. Saddle up. Now, this would be the 4th bedroom with plenty of space. Look at this, it's grand. So we have a queen size bed up here. Plus we have all this space And on top we have this crib right here for little ones, and then it has that walk-in closet there. So this is absolutely gorgeous, ready for you to move in, waiting for your animals, waiting for you to come and relax. This beautiful countryside. Now, please remember that you must help me share this video, subscribe, and like. So don't forget, please like, share, and subscribe. Blessings.